everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. I have a Louis unboxing, so if you're interested in Louis Vuitton, came in a box like this. They just left it on the porch from FedEx, no signature. I've never had that before. So have you guys ever had anything from Louis Vuitton that you didn't have to sign for? So leave your comments below. It's kind of scary, especially with people going around following trucks to steal your packages. It's insanity. So anyways, I'm gonna let my SA know, but I've never had anything from Louis Vuitton that you did not have to sign for, like Chanel. So anyways, at least it wasn't stolen, so that was good. All right, so if you want to see what I got, just go ahead and stay tuned. All right, it came in a box like this with all this. Seal is broken, etc. If seal is broken, check contents before accepting. So we'll see what happens here. All right, I got my blade. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos, and that's at least once to twice a week, sometimes more. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. All right, so Ted's sample is in here, so he'll be happy about that. And this is from the Edmonton Louis Vuitton. My SA is Cheryl. She's pretty good. And let's go ahead and see what I got here. Okay, I got a box with some ribbon. Got my receipt. They shrunk these down. These used to be bigger. And I got no shopping bag. Okay, usually I get a shopping bag. So, no shopping bag. Alright, so I'm gonna have to let her know. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the first one. Any guesses? Okay. Alright, this is the 2021 agenda for my Agenda PM. Okay, and that has Vivian on it, so that's pretty cool. And those have just came out, so if you're looking for them, they go really super fast. So if you're thinking about it, don't think too long, because then you'll miss out. Okay, that's the first item. Second item comes in a box like this, similar to sunglasses. Okay, got ribbon. Yeah, some are not even getting ribbon, so yeah, that's kind of much. All right, and this is the new travel refill, and this is the Ombre Nomad, and this is like a smoky, musty kind of smell. It smells pretty good. Comes in a package like this for the refills. And let's see what sample she gave me here. Okay, that's two there. All right, let me get my glasses on here. What did she give us? All right, California Dream. Okay, they come in like little samples like that. And what's this one? This one is for men. This is AUHASARD. This smells really good, so Ted's gonna like that. So there's your sample. All right, and then she gave me Meditator. I think that's for men as well. And she gave me NUITDEFEU. And that's one of the newer fragrances they have. So I asked her to give me that. And it comes in these with the, it's kind of a bluish black sample. That smells good. These are the limited edition, if you didn't know. So they don't stay around too long. So if you're interested in any of the perfumes or the agenda refills, anything like that, especially the limited edition, you need to either get them or you kind of lose out, unfortunately. So definitely don't miss out if that's something that you're looking for. All right, so that's my Louis haul for today, and I hope everybody's staying safe and not going too crazy during the mask fun and the border closed and all that fun stuff. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.